Okay, so we're on our way to Brussels. We decided to have a lunch, but we were in the mood for something American, so we just had a hamburger and chips. Okay, we just arrived in Brussels, so just going out of the train, and now we're going to figure out where to next, which train station to take, which train to our place where we stay. Our first view of Brussels. Okay, we arrived at our place. It's called Art de Sojour. What's it called? Lovely, lovely room. What do you think of the place?
Very nice. Like it.
It's lovely.
Yeah, definitely.
This is definitely the place he's with, and then we must say our host, I think his name is Maurice, because he said 3 Maurice stars or something like that for one of the restaurants. Anyway, we sat down with him and he just discussed with us what we want to do, and he just had a map with all of the places that he suggests we can go to, and what routes we can walk, and what restaurants he thinks is nice to eat, and so I think it was really
very informative.
Very nice, very good. So we walked into the streets of Brussels, and we walked past the Manneken Pis, and now we're at the Grand Parade. Is it a Grand Parade?
I don't know.
Or something like that.
It's really
Grand
nice.
Square or something like that. Anyway, it's amazing. I mean, really. It's a square with all these huge old stately buildings like palaces and stuff. Yeah, quite a sight to see. So yeah.
And we're standing here, you can see almost the entire Brussels there behind us. Pan, so you can see. So yeah, what's the plan for today? I'm not sure
Just
yet.
walking,
Just walk.
see the sights,
Yes.
eat.
The thing we do most and best. So anyway, so yeah, enjoy the way it's like nice weather today. So yeah. Because it was cold in Paris, so it's nice to have a bit better weather. So, but anyway, enjoy.
When in Belgium, get chocolates.
Just make sure you read it right. We are in Belgium after all.
Hij is lekker. Lekker.
And the Coke tastes just as bad. So we've come to the end of our Brussels trip. We're currently at Brussels Midi, but we've spent what was it? 2 days, 3 days, 2 days.
2 days
in
Brussels.
And it's definitely chocolate, waffle, cream, heaven. If that's the sort of thing, sweet tooth, please do come. So yeah, otherwise it's a nice city. What's
It's
your
Yeah, it's a nice city. It's nice to see all the sights.
it's fairly similar to Paris, as you can see.
But
The
not-
look and feel, but not 100%
Not
the same.
quite. It doesn't have that vibe of Paris and all the little bistros and all these little restaurants where people sit. It's less of that. They've got a lot of chocolatiers here. They've got a lot of waffle places, and they've got a lot of frites, or just chips places basically.
Everybody's just eating slab chips.
They've got all the sites and what's that square's name?
Grand Palace.
Grand Place.
Grand Place, Grand Palace.
And we saw Manneken Pis, and we saw
Well, we saw Manneken Pots as well. I call it the one where it comes out of the mouth.
yes, and we saw that that Saint that church, which was very impressive actually.
I can't remember the
It's
name.
a big church,
It looks like Notre Dame, but it's massive.
massive. It's actually it's bigger. It's bigger on the inside than what Sacré-Cœur was. Anyway.
Yeah.
I'm going to say some Michel, but I'm not sure now.
Oh yeah,
I'll
Saint
put it.
Michel.
I'll put it at the bottom here. Yeah, and so it's definitely nice. It's a nice city. It's picturesque in many places. It's got a nice buildings, Art Nouveau buildings. So it's a good city to visit for 1 or 2 days. But I'm very glad we saw it. I don't know if we'll include it in our next trip, but yeah,
Probably not.
but it's worth a visit.
yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And try the local food. I mean, we always go for the hamburgers and pizzas, and I always try the local food. If you're a bit adventurous and you don't, I enjoyed. Yesterday I had a Flemish beef stew, which was actually very delicious, and the local beer I had, which was very nice as well.
It's interesting how there's a lot of Italian influence as well. So
Yeah.
like your pasta, pizza is also
A lot
quite
of that,
yes. And then the chips, the French fries
Yeah,
with sauce.
That's
It's
big,
like
yeah.
a mayo and ketchup and
I didn't
all different
realise that was so
sauce
big, yeah,
and waffles. It seems like that's the only thing they eat.
and chocolates.
A bit too much for me. So yeah. But anyway, all in all, good. Definitely recommend it. I won't say it's first on the list, but if it's on your list, yeah, do pop around.